Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Sephora gift card online and in store. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so the first way is using the website, Sephora's official website or app. So go to either or and make sure to log in, or if you haven't, create an account with Sephora. And then from there, add items to your cart. So browse the products and add your desired items. And then when you're ready, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. And then on the payment page, there should be an option to redeem a gift card. Enter your gift card number and PIN if it's required. And then apply the gift card to your order. The amount on the gift card will be deducted from your order total. If there is any remaining balance after applying the gift card, you can pay it using another payment method and then review your order details and place the order. Once that is all said and done, you'll receive an order confirmation once your payment is processed successfully. And now, if you want to redeem a Sephora gift card in store, visit any Sephora store near where you live, and then browse the store and select the items you wish to purchase. Take your items to the checkout counter, and then present your gift card to the cashier. The cashier will scan your gift card, and the amount will be deducted from your total. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay it using another payment method. Once the transaction is complete, you'll receive a receipt for your purchase.